So when you've got some posts and some categories on your site, you may want to highlight them in a different location. So we've got some great plugins on here, and one of them is to do with the Genesis theme. And if we go to widgets, what we can do is we can use the sidebar, which is the primary sidebar, and we can pick a Genesis featured page or a Genesis featured post. So let's just add the widget in. And you can pick a category. Now you can show more than one post if you wish, and you can put them in date order, or you can pick a random one so it changes it. You can exclude previously displayed posts if you wish. You can show the author gravatar. I am going to show the post title. I'm not going to show the post information. I will show any featured images. This is when it starts getting important. And I am going to show any more. So let me just save that. Now it starts getting more interesting when you've got more content on your site, but this is where it's going to appear. Now we haven't actually saved the one that we were playing with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and open that post, and I'm just going to put a picture in it. So this is the post that we were playing with, that will go in the marketing section. And if I just quickly add in a picture, it doesn't matter what the picture is. We'll just pick that logo for the moment. And I'm also going to use that as the featured image. And you'll see why in a second. So it's now showing. And it's currently in draft. So I'm just going to publish it. Okay. Let's just scoot back to the dashboard and go and have a look and see what happens here. Now, two things are going to happen. All of a sudden it's in this section here because we now have content. We haven't deleted the Hello World one yet, and it's giving me the featured page. Now obviously the more content that you've got on here, you won't get duplicates happening because you'll have lots of things for it to choose through. Occasionally you'll get it happening, but obviously with only one piece on there, you're going to see it straight away. So let's just go back to posts. And we're going to get rid of that one permanently. Now what we're going to do is add a new post. add a new picture. Add it in a category. Set the featured image. It can be a different featured image to whatever it is that you've used. And we're going to publish. And then you can see just how simple this is. So let's just refresh this. And you will see in marketing all of the posts. I'd like it to get rid of Hello World, but we'll worry about that later. So, posts and pages. It does work very well, but you do need content. So, I'd like to see what you've got to do. So off you go and start creating some content.